Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today's our topic is about types of family. We will see how many types of families are there. Like we have father, mother and children in our family. A family lives together. Some families are big and some are small. In a small family, there are very less number of family members. Like we see only father, mother, brother, sister or yourself and yourself. See here what is there on the screen. Family words. These are the family words, children. Mom, dad, brother, sister and me. Now, what is this? This is a family tree. How many members are there in our family? See, like this we can do a beautiful art. Sai Joshit. Sai Joshit, don't talk. See here, we have the picture of grandparents, picture of uncle, aunt, father, mother, yourself, and also the pet which lives in our home. This is a beautiful family tree done by me, children. So you also should try to do a family tree in this way. Today I am going to give this homework. I'll show you what is that worksheet. Okay? See here. These are the family members most of you people see in your families. See here. What is this on the left side? The top one. What is that? He is your father. So, what is the spelling of father? Children, you have to repeat after me. Okay? F A T H E R. Father. Next. Below father, what is that box for? Who is there? Who is standing below father? Beside father? She is your sister. So, what is the spelling of sister? S I S T E R. Sister. And who is in the middle of the picture? He is your grandfather. What is the spelling of grandfather? G R A N D. Grand. F A T H E R. Grandfather. Next, who is beside grandfather? Yes, whom you like more? Grandmother. Grandmother. Let us say the spelling of grandmother. G R A N D. Grand. M O T H E R. Grandmother. Then, who is there beside grandmother? Brother. B R O T H E R. Brother. And now the loveliest person, she is mother. M O T H E R. Mother. So now we have learned the spellings of our mother children. See here, spelling of our family members. Let us go with the next one. See here. Tanvi. Tanvi. Don't talk. What happened, Tanvi?
Clear.
Huh?
Voice is not clear, ma'am.
Voice is not clear. Nobody is saying me this.
Voice.
Your voice is too low, ma'am.
Generally, father, mother and children make a family. A family lives together. Some families are big and some are small. Small family means what? In small family, parents and one or two children is called a small family. In the family where one or two children along with the parents are there, that family is called a small family. Joint family. What is meant by joint family? A family where grandparents, aunt, uncle and cousins stay together is known as joint family.
వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ కాదా
ఫ్యామిలీ అంటే జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ అన్నమాట. ఇదిగో
Ketana,
grandmother,
Ketana, is my voice audible to you? Please tell me. Please unmute yourself and tell me, is my voice audible to you? Ketana, I'm not getting any answer from you. Is my voice audible to you? Please once unmute and tell me.
yes madam
Okay. Thank you. Go to unmute mode. Sai Joshit, is my voice audible to you? So children, here today we are learning about two different families, that is a small family and a joint family. So what is meant by small family? In a small family where parents and one or two children. In a small family, 3 or 4 members only will be their children. So that is called a small family. Next, what is a joint family? In a joint family, grandparents, father and mother, uncle and aunt, your siblings, all will be living together in a same house. That is called a joint family. Joint means all together living in a same house. See here how we share our work when we are at home. There are many kinds of families. We love and care for each other within our family. We help one another in many ways. How we help? See here. You can identify the pictures. You help your mother in kitchen, doing small works, not in cutting and all children, cutting the vegetables and all. No, that should be under your parents' guidance. By filling the water bottles, giving, if your mom asks something to give, kitchen things, that you can help there, or something is there to clean, that you can do them. And the second picture, your mom is helping you to sleep. When you are unable to sleep, your mom is helping you to sleep. Next, see, your grandparents are playing with you. In the next picture you can see that your grandparents are helping you by enjoying yourself. How to enjoy? They are entertaining you. They will help you by saying different stories. And next, your sister will be helping your mom by removing the clothes from the washing machine, or your mom will help you always the day long. Okay. Now see here, in my family, my parents work to earn money for the home. So, when you are in a family, who will earn for you? Your father will earn for you. They cook food for me, play with me, and help me while studying. See, you people are all doing now studies only. So your parents are sitting with you, they are explaining you what is this, what is that, what is meant by this particular word. Like this, they will be helping you in every work, they will be helping you. My mother takes care of me when I am not well, when you are not feeling well, when you are suffering from fever, cough, cold, then your mother will be looking of you. She will take care of you. My grandfather drives me to swimming classes. Drives means he will drop you to swimming classes. If you are going to attend some classes, at that time what will happen? They will take you on the vehicle and drop you to that place. My grandfather drives me to swimming classes. My grandmother reads bedtime stories at night. What your grandmother will be doing for you? They will be entertaining you children by telling you bedtime stories. Now I want to ask you how you people will help your parents. See here the next screen. How do you help your family members? I try to help my family in my own way. That is your way. How you will try? If your father is washing a car, at that time what you will do? You will wash a car along with your father. You will water the plants in the garden. You will help your parents by watering the plants in the garden. I clean my room. That means you have to clean your room by your own. You should maintain neat your room. And then I bathe on my own. You should take your bath on your own, children. Now because you are grown up children, you have to try to do your own works. You should try to become independent. Okay? Yes, children. Now everyone, please take your notebook where you are writing everyday EVS. Don't write in English book. You are maintaining separate book, no? So write in a separate book. Write in a separate book. I will write on the board. You have to note down. Okay? Write neatly, children. How you wrote English in the morning? Like that you write neatly. Okay? Hanvit, where are you? Are you writing? Suryansh? Yes, very good, children. Most of them I find that you are writing very good. Sai Joshit, Mayuri, Rishita, put on your videos so that I can see you are writing. Mayuri, Rishita, Brinda. Yes, you are writing. Tanvi, Ayansh, Bhanu Manvit, Hanvit. Okay, Hanvit is there. Remaining children, put on your video so that I can see you. Ayansh, are you writing? Completed, Ayansh? No? Okay, you can complete. Still we have time.
बोलो I am writing. बोलो.
I'm writing.
Okay, okay, you can write. Still we have time. I am giving you time. Everyone complete, children. Ritvik completed. You are writing. Write down. Children, you have last 3 minutes. Now only 2.5 minutes. Yes, Sai Ritvik, what is your doubt?
Finished.
Finish.
Okay,
Finish.
okay. Finish, no problem. Time is also up. If you have finished, very good. Yes, Brinda also completed. Veda completed. Veda over. Okay. Dhruti, you also completed. Siddharth also is complete. Yes, okay, children. If you have completed this, then the period is also over. Suryansh over.
Surya itra. टीचर की भी.
Sai Joshit over. Very good. Very good, Sai Joshit. Yes. You are writing neatly also. Very nice. Sai Ritvik completed. Ketana over. Ketana show. Yes, yes. Good. Good. Very nice. Ayansh, finished? Children, time up. Last few seconds are there. Automatically the screen will be getting off.